Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix hotspot problem in your Poco smartphone. So let's start the video friends. To fix hotspot problem, if your hotspot is not connecting to another device or your password is sometimes automatically reset, how you can solve it in your Poco M7 5G smartphone or any other Poco smartphone. So let's start the video friends. First you have to open your settings, then friends you have to choose mobile networks, or you can choose more connectivity options. Here it is portable hotspot. Click on setup portable hotspot. So as you can see the password, this password is automatically set. You have to just first remove the password, then choose here 1 2 3 4 5, at least 8-digit password you have to set. Then friends here it is, click on this tick option, and now it is set up successfully. Now you can share your hotspot and it will be connected successfully. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.